In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Element TV remote control, no matter which model you have, even if it's not looking like this one. What I'll show you in this video will work for your Element TV remote control. So the first step is to actually unplug your Element TV from the wall socket. Once you have unplugged your TV, go ahead, turn your remote control around and remove the lid and remove the batteries of your Element TV remote control. Once this is done, go ahead and press every single button on your Element remote control very hard, at least 3 times. This may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but it needs to be done to reset your remote control. Sometimes there's debris, dust, and dirt that get trapped under one button. And unfortunately, if one button does not work, well, the whole remote control will stop working. So you need to press very hard, since we do not know which one of these buttons is getting stuck. Once you're done pressing every single button here, I won't show it in this video since it will take a while, and yeah, you can do it by yourself. You got the trick. Go ahead and put back the batteries in your remote control. And I always suggest that you use new batteries when putting them back, since sometimes this is the issue. Even if the batteries are not completely dead, some remote controls stop working properly when there's like 20% left in them. So put some new batteries, put back the lid, plug back your Element TV into the wall socket, and turn it on using the button located under it or on the back. Do not turn it on using the remote control. Once the TV is turned on, now you can test the remote control and see if it's now working properly. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone, and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each buttons and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way you know for sure that the remote control is working, and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV. If you have any other solutions on how to fix your remote control from your Element TV, please leave them in the comments down below. If you want to get a universal remote for your Element TV, I'll leave an Amazon link in the description as well. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.